And of course you can move him. You can just remove his whole head because, I mean, you wouldn't be able to move those eyes, would you? Okay. I mean, he looks awesome like this. Here it is, the very stretched coal model or something. I don't think it should look like that. Okay, but let's try and chase someone. Oh, well. Okay, there we go. Okay, we can do this too. Yeah, because physics work like that apparently with this train. Don't really have to care about these. Yeah, that's what you can do basically. You can just lift up that